Have you ever wondered why you make the same dumb decisions over and over? Why you scroll endlessly through social media feeds that confirm your wildest beliefs? Or why you stick with a failing app subscription just because you've already paid for it? Well, buckle up, because in 2026, your brain is still playing tricks on you, and it's more sneaky than ever with AI algorithms feeding right into it. Today, in Why Your Brain is Lying to You in 2026, 7 cognitive biases you fall for every day, we're diving into the mind-bending world of cognitive biases. These aren't just psychobabble, they're proven mental shortcuts that distort your reality, backed by decades of psychological research from experts like Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. We'll uncover 7 everyday biases with real-world examples from today's tech-driven world and simple tips to outsmart them. Stick around till the end, because the last one might just explain why you're overconfident about that crypto investment. Let's jump in with number 1. Number 1, confirmation bias. This is when your brain cherry-picks information that supports what you already believe, ignoring everything else. It's like your mind's built-in echo chamber. Proven in studies since the 1960s by psychologist Peter Wason, it shows we seek out confirming evidence and dismiss contradictions. In 2026, think about social media. Algorithms on platforms like X or TikTok feed you content that matches your views, making political divides deeper or convincing you that AI is either humanity's savior or doom, depending on your starting point. For example, if you're anti-vax, you'll see endless posts about rare side effects, ignoring the overwhelming data on benefits. But don't worry, you can fight back. Actively seek out opposing views. Next up, a bias that locks you into bad decisions from the get-go. It's called anchoring bias, and it's sneakier than you think. Number 2, anchoring bias. Your brain latches on to the first piece of information it gets and uses it as a reference point for everything after, even if it's arbitrary. Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman's experiments in the 1970s proved this. People guessing the percentage of African nations in the UN were wildly influenced by a random number spun on a wheel beforehand. Fast forward to 2026, shopping online, that original price slashed by 50% anchors you to think it's a steal, even if the real value is lower. Or in salary negotiations, the first offer sets the tone. Accept a low anchor and you're undervaluing yourself. Tip: always research multiple sources before deciding. Coming up, why recent news stories make you overestimate risks. The availability heuristic is about to hit home. Number 3, the availability heuristic. This bias makes you judge the likelihood of events based on how easily examples come to mind, not actual statistics. Tversky and Kahneman's 1973 research showed people overestimate dramatic risks because they're memorable. In 2026, with 24/7 news cycles and viral X posts, you're more scared of plane crashes or AI takeovers than car accidents, which kill way more people annually, over 1.3 million globally per WHO data. Shark attacks? Rare, but one viral video blows it up in your head. Overcome it? Look up real stats from reliable sources like government databases. Hang tight, next is a bias that makes you think you knew it all along after the fact. Number 4, hindsight bias, aka the I knew it all along effect. Once something happens, your brain rewires memories to make it seem predictable. Studies by Baruch Fischoff in the 1970s confirmed this. People overestimate their prior knowledge after learning outcomes. In 2026, after a stock market dip or an election result, you'll swear you predicted it, like the Neuralink breakthrough everyone saw coming post-announcement. This fools investors into risky bets, thinking past successes were skill, not luck. Tip: keep a decision journal to track your real predictions. Up next, a bias that's costing you money and time. The sunk cost fallacy will make you rethink that gym membership. Number 5, sunk cost fallacy. You keep investing in something because of what you've already put in, even if it's a lost cause. Hal Arkus and Catherine Bloomer's 1985 experiments proved we irrationally commit more to failing endeavors. In 2026, it's why you binge watch a terrible series on Netflix because you've started it, or stick with outdated AI software after sinking cash in training. Real example? Companies pouring billions into metaverse projects long after hype faded, per business reports. Break free? Ask, would I start this now? If no, cut losses. Whoa, we're halfway, but number 6 explains why beginners think they're experts, especially in the age of online tutorials. Number 6, the Dunning-Kruger Effect. Incompetent people overestimate their abilities, while experts underestimate. Justin Kruger and David Dunning's 1999 Cornell study found this in humor, grammar, and logic tests. In 2026, with YouTube tutorials everywhere, amateurs day trade stocks or code AI bots thinking they're pros, leading to disasters like the 2021 GameStop frenzy where novices lost fortunes. Meanwhile, true experts doubt themselves. Combat it? Seek feedback from qualified peers. Almost there, the final bias is why you jump on trends without thinking. Number 7, the Bandwagon Effect. You adopt beliefs or behaviors because everyone else is doing it. Solomon Asch's 1950s conformity experiments showed people deny their own senses to fit in. In 2026, it's fueling crypto booms or viral challenges on social media, like buying into the latest NFT hype because your feed is full of success stories, ignoring the 95% failure rate from market analyses. Tip: question the crowd. Base decisions on evidence, not popularity. There you have it, 7 ways your brain is lying to you in 2026. Confirmation bias, anchoring, availability heuristic, hindsight bias, sunk cost fallacy, Dunning-Kruger effect, and the bandwagon effect. These aren't just theories, they're rooted in rigorous psychological studies and amplified by our digital world. By recognizing them, you can make smarter choices in work, relationships, and beyond. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to the Curiosity Stick for more eye-opening animations, and comment below, which bias do you fall for most? Share this with a friend who's stuck in a sunk cost. See you in the next video. Peace out.